Hi everyone, Tshegofatso here from Cigarettes and welcome to another video. Today we're talking common Setswana names. Common Setswana names. As usual, remember to like, share, and comment down below if you have any suggestions. Now, let's get started. There are a lot of common Setswana names. So I will break this video into little snippets just so it's not too overwhelming. Names in Botswana tend to come in themes, right? So I will kind of outline the theme and say common names in the theme just so you can understand how the names relate to each other, right? We'll start off with my name. My name is Tshegofatso. Leina la me ke Tshegofatso. Tshegofatso. The TSH is a T sound. So, and the G is a H sound. Tshegofatso. The English equivalent to that name is Grace. Grace. Tshegofatso. Then let's have a theme of being thankful. So how do you say thank you? Kealeboga. Thank you. Kealeboga. So there is a Setswana name, Kealeboga. Kealeboga means thank you. And then malebogo, thanks. Malebogo. They also have the sound like my name, Tshegofatso. Malebogo. Lebogang means be thankful. Be thankful. Lebogang. Kealebogile. I am thankful. Kealebogile. I am thankful. Kealeboga. We are thankful. Kealeboga. We are thankful. So in that thankful, obviously I haven't gone through all the names, but in that thanks theme, kealebogile, kealeboga, lebogang, malebogo, kealeboga, all the different iterations, all means thanks of some sort. Yeah? Another theme is love. Love. Lorato. Lorato. That is the love theme. So you can have someone being called Lorato or Lerato. That means love. Then Olorato, meaning God. Usually it's God. Botswana is very Christian. So he is love or he is loving. Olorato. Olorato. Ratang means love. Love, like the act of love. Be loving. Ratang. Ratang. Oratile. He loved. He loved. He being the pronoun God. He loved. Oratile. Oratile. Ratanang means love each other. Love each other. Ratanang. Olorato. Lorato. Oratile. Ratang. Right? That is all in that love theme. And then you have the pronouns for God or the God theme, like the literal God theme. So one means him. Him. The pronoun for God. One. So that's my sister's name. Shout out One. And so our names, because I'm Grace and my sister is One, which means him or his. So our names mean his grace. His grace together. Tshegofatso ya One. His grace. But you can also have ya One means his, belonging to him. Ya Morena, godly, right? La One means belonging to him. Ga One is the same. Tsa One. So combo could be Lorato Laone. You might have a Lorato first and then Laone second, and then it means his love, right? Yeah, that's the love theme. And then the gift theme. There's a gift theme. So neo, that's a gift. In English, it's neo, but in Setswana, it's neo. That's a gift. I have a sister-in-law called Neo. And then mpo, that's a gift. Kabo, gift. Kabelo is a gift. Wabile means he has gifted us. Right? So that's the gift theme. Mpo, neo, wabile, kabo, kabelo. These are in the gift theme. And then you can also have the joy theme. Joy. What is joy? Boitumelo. So, Boitumelo is a name for joy. Boipelo, Maitumelo. These are all like joy, be joyful. Itumeleng is be joyful. Itumeleng, be joyful. I'm hoping you got some of those themes. That'll be the end of part 1 of Common Setswana Names. Until next time, Khosiame. Bye!